Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day and you staying safe. I just wanted to talk in this video about the amazing brand I came across recently. So the brand is called Teami and the product I got in my hands is the Detox Mask. What I love about this brand to begin is it's cruelty-free and vegan friendly, and you guys know how big I am about cruelty-free. In fact, all the makeup beauty products I use in all of my videos, at least for last year, are cruelty-free and vegan friendly, if you didn't know this yet. But talking about this brand, I came across this recently. What I love about it, it's vegan friendly, cruelty-free, ingredients are good, and everything that they do is kind of health based, like for a healthier lifestyle. I'll link the website below so you guys can check it out. And if you're gonna go and check that website, they even have like a healthy food recipes and all. Amazing. Like I actually been following the pancakes recipe because it's so good. So they do like a food supplements, and then they do beauty related things like this detox mask green tea blend. That sounds amazing. So this one is matcha, lemongrass, and clay. All ingredients super good for your skin. So they say that it's suitable for all skin types. Love this green packaging. Yeah, look how cute is that. I'm just gonna open this up. It's all green inside. That's super cute, isn't it? And the mask itself is green because of a matcha. By the way, I got the discount code as well. I'm gonna link it in the description box below so you guys can check it out. It's ingrida.dainuoju and you can get a 20% off. We'll see how my oily problematic skin will love this. I'm gonna use this for more than a week to see the results so we can check it properly. Okay, so it's brand new, as you see. So I just need to take my makeup off and we can check it out. Oh, it smells lovely. Oh my god, you guys. It smells a lot like a spa. Do you know that feeling when you have like in a spa with freshness? That's how it smells. It smells so good. Oh my god, yeah. I need to try this on. So they say how to use this is dampen face slightly with water. With fingertips, apply thin to medium layer on face and neck. Allow 10-15 minutes for mask to dry. Simply wash off with water and pat skin dry. Use 1-4 times weekly as needed. Best applied at night. Alright, I'm back in a second. I'm gonna clean my face off. Alright, you guys, as you can see, I have zero makeup on my face. My cheeks looks a bit red because I was cleaning up my makeup. Plus I do have rosacea and super sensitive skin, oily skin, and yeah, you name it, I probably have it. This face mask, I left it open in my little room where I film. It smells so good because while I was cleaning my face, I was cleaning it off in the bathroom. Yeah, my whole room smells like this now. It smells literally like a spa. Like, you know when you go to aromatherapy, like massage or something? That's how it smells. Alright, let's do it. So, oh, this feels actually very nice. I know why they say to keep a face slightly bit wet. It's because the mask itself is very thick. So it kinda makes it a bit easier, the application, and you don't irritate your skin while, you know, applying the mask on. Okay guys, I do feel like a slight tangling sensation because the mask is based on a clay and it's drying, and clay is like a miracle worker for your skin. I think that should do. So I'm gonna set the alarm for, let's do 10 minutes as it's the first time I'm trying this on. Here we go. See you then. My alarm just went off. The mask is nearly dry. I can't barely move my face because it's a clay based mask, so clay obviously dries. So yeah, I can't move my face. I'm off to wash my face and be back in a second. I will see how my skin reacted to this face mask. See in a second. I washed the face mask off and my skin feels so super smooth. If you notice a bit of redness going on in here, it's just because I rubbed the face mask when I was washing off, and my skin is super sensitive, as I mentioned before. Like, extremely super sensitive, so that's why the redness occurred, but gonna disappear in like a minute or two. That's normal to me. This is what happens if I rub my skin too much, so I'm not bothered about this redness in here, so just ignore that part. And the rest, like the cheeks, oh, if you could guys only feel this, it's like super smooth. I'm gonna use this mask for another like 4 or 5 times because I'll use it definitely for at least a week. Then I'm gonna come back to use with the result to see how it worked on my super sensitive skin. But so far, honestly guys, my skin feels so smooth, like so smooth, and my whole room smells like a spa now. I'm gonna use it daily. They say to use 4 times a week, so maybe I'll use like 4 or 5 times, and then I'm gonna come back to you. So see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, and I'm back. So I've been using this Teami Detox Mask for around a week now. I definitely use it for like 4 times, like it recommends on the back of the packaging. To be honest, I don't really remember what I mentioned in the beginning of the video because it was a week ago, but it smells like a spa to begin with. The packaging is super cute. It's cruelty-free, vegan-friendly brand based on a green tea. Oh, it smells so good. Not to brag too much about it, but I definitely seen the difference in my skin. I'm not sure if you guys can see. I mean, my skin doesn't look as red as it will look normally, which is so freaking lutely amazing. And another thing that I noticed, maybe because it's a clay mask and clay tends to, you know, deep clean your skin, detox as they state on the packaging. So basically what happens, what I noticed, I don't think I noticed that first time when I tried it with you guys, but what I noticed after I cleaned this mask off, it kinda, don't even know how to say, like I can see that it cleaned my skin, if that makes any sense whatsoever. Basically, like I can see my pores, like if I would do this, like it cleans off. Do you know what I mean? Like, does it make sense at all? Yeah, I can definitely feel that it does clean my skin, like detox my skin. Maybe I'm just gonna put on now, so I'll wash it off and you guys can see what I mean. Should I do that maybe? It's a good idea. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. But I just really hope you can see what I see, how much my skin improved in just a week. I think this is the best face mask I tried so far, and I tried a lot of different face masks. I can see the difference, which is ridiculous to see in just 1 week, because I believe with any like skincare product you would need to use more like for a month or 2 or 3 to see a proper improvement. I just used for a week. Like I literally had it, what, 4 times on maybe, and I see a difference. Like my skin literally is cleaning itself with the help of this mask. Just apply this mask. Yeah, literally, I feel like this mask, the way it works, it kind of drags out all the gunk of my skin and kind of cleans out the dead skin cells as well. You can see as well like a dead skin cells like a flaking off after this, after washing it off. I can see improvement in my skin. Alright, I'm gonna sit in here for 10 minutes and I'll come back to you soon. Alright, you guys, 10 minutes passed already. The mask is still slightly bit wet on the side, so I'm gonna wait another like 2 minutes before going to wash it off. As you see, it's already drying off, like I can barely move my face to talk. But it goes like around my pores, because if you follow my channel, probably know how problematic my skin is, like big pores and all. It kind of goes around, like kind of dragging the gunk out. You're gonna see what I mean, because I didn't notice that first time when I put this mask on, but after using it for a few times I was like, oh my god. I'm gonna go wash this off, come back to you. Alright, so I just washed off the mask. I haven't applied any moisturizer, serum or anything yet, because I just want to show you what I meant before by all this gunk going out. By the way, warning, if you are easily grossed out by anything, skip this part or this video in general. I'm not sure if you're able to see, but like I have pretty big pores, so now if I do this, not even like big rubbing, oh, you guys are able to see, like literally all the gunk comes out. Plus I do have super problematic skin. Like if you follow my channel, you guys I think know this already, know rosacea, acne breakouts, big pores, oily skin, super sensitive skin. Not all the products works for me, and I do sometimes get allergic reaction. I didn't get any side effects whatsoever from using this, which is absolutely amazing. Humongous thumbs up just for that. And it works. My skin never looked that good. Fingers crossed. Don't want to jinx it. I didn't apply any like moisturizer yet. Really want to show you this. You see, I have like a acne scars going on in here and all things like that, so it all kind of flakes off. All these dead skin cells, not even rubbing, I'm just doing this, literally like all the dead skin cells comes out and all the gunk like from my big pores. My pores looks like it's been shrinking. It's not super pronounced, and all this black gunk, you know, all the black dots, it's like being dragged out. It's still obviously some on because I've been using it for like 1 week, like 4 times. Also, I would need it to use for like a month or so to see a proper result, but I can see this already, which is mind-blowing. I wasn't expecting that, I'm gonna be honest. You guys, I am super impressed. Like, I can't even, because I wasn't expecting that. Plus my skin is so sensitive, so I was kind of, you know, hoping it's not gonna react in a bad way. It reacted only in a super good way. Like, literally my skin, I don't think like I remember when my skin looked that good, so it definitely detoxifies, as they say it on a packaging. It literally cleaned all this gunk out, because all these dead skin cells just kind of, you know, flaking off now. Like, my skin literally is rejuvenating itself, you know. I think I found the best face mask that exists. Like, this is at least the best that I ever tried. So really hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. I would really appreciate it if you would hit that button there. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this helpful, and I shall see you very soon. Have an amazing day, guys.